Welcome back to my channel. Before we even get into this video, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, like, and comment, and I will appreciate it. So Sam's Beauty sent me 2 units, but today I will be reviewing one, which is the Dashley unit in the Money Piece Blonde. So here is the card, and it also shows all the different special colors that it has. So here is the unit. This is so pretty. It has the baby hairs and everything, and of course I'm going to flip it inside out so you can see the inside. So you do get your comb in the back, the adjustable straps, and the 2 combs in the front. You also have that deep part that's right there, and you have the ear to ear. So this is what she's looking like. Let's go ahead and get her on my head. So y'all already know that I have to add my foundation powder to the unit so it could blend in. So I'm going to go ahead and add my Got To Be glue spray all over. And then I'm going to go and blow dry it, and I'll be back. Now, y'all already know what time it is. Got To Be glue gel for the edges, for the baby hairs, okay? Okay. Okay, let me stop. I just wanted to say thank you for watching. I hope you ladies like this unit because I do, baby. Like, a new unit always has you feeling yourself, okay? I know it makes me feel myself, so I know it probably will make y'all feel y'allself. But I hope that y'all like my review. I'm getting a little tangling at the ends, but it's not anything really bad. I haven't really dealt with any shedding while I was installing the unit. So I really think you guys should get it. It comes with different colors. I'll make sure that I have everything in the description below, the links and everything. So make sure that y'all once again comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll appreciate it. So I'll catch y'all next time. Mwah.